Hey there, welcome back to Automotive Territory. Just recently, we have featured on our channel an episode about the fastest electric bicycles that exist today, the link in the description by the way. And the major feedback that we received from our viewers was dissatisfaction with high prices of those two-wheelers. So in this episode, we decided to review 10 of the cheapest models on sale that come to your doorstep almost factory assembled and do not require additional skills and sophisticated instruments to be put together. Do you think you can get a decent electric bicycle for $1,000 or less? Let's watch and find out. But before we get to the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have much more interesting content coming your way. Enjoy the ride! Saunders Original. This exact model put Saunders on the map of electric bicycle buyers, and at the time of the release in 2015, the Original secured the title of the most affordable e-bike ever produced. Even though since then the prices have gone up, the company managed to broaden the lineup, which now includes 8 cycles, with Saunders Original still remaining one of the best sellers. Humble 350-watt electric motor is powered by a 310-watt-hour lithium-ion battery that provides 25 to 40 miles of range, with both pedal assist and pure electric modes available. The LCD screen upgrade now comes as a standard, offering accurate battery level and distance traveled. Unique Saunders Fat 26 by 4.9-inch tires will provide extra cushioning and will allow you to conquer any terrain. However, for additional $200, you can get front suspension and a larger battery. Miiqui Cycle. If you're looking for an affordable electric bicycle from a reliable manufacturer, you should definitely look into the lineup suggested by the Chinese high-tech giant Xiaomi. Miiqui Cycle has foldable construction and can fit into a car trunk. Geared up with a 250-watt electric hub motor fitted to the front wheel, it can reach 13 miles per hour speed without pedaling. The Panasonic battery pack is incorporated into the frame and should have enough charge for about 30 miles of range. Miiqui Cycle's most unique feature is the presence of multiple sensors, large TFT information screen, and full smartphone connectivity, which allows for monitoring of speed, distance, and burned calories. Moreover, special TMM sensors located in the pedals control the pressure applied by the rider to synchronize the motor's output and make the ride as comfortable as possible. With only $700 on the price tag, this tiny smart bike is a real steal for a city commuter. Populo Sport. On today's market, there aren't that many e-bike models that combine lightweight of 36 pounds and a rather affordable price of $1,000. Populo Sport has a single-speed drivetrain with a hub motor in the rear wheel. Though it'll be tougher to start pedaling with only one gear, you're getting significant weight saving, as well as with no derailleur, the chain will not be in danger of falling off. Even though Sport has 8 levels of assist with 3 modes, most often the motor will be working in tune with your pedaling speed, around 20 miles per hour. The manufacturer does not specify the maker of the power pack, but most likely it is a reliable Bosch, good for 30 miles. This is the 3rd generation of Populo, and it includes more ergonomic grips, a saddle with better paddling, wider and taller than before tires. Are you planning on buying an affordable electric bike? Bear in mind that some of these models are available on Amazon, and if you were to make a purchase through our referral links in the description to this video, you will be supporting our channel big time. But do not forget to conduct additional research of your own. Let's keep going. Wave 2.0. After taking time to improve customer service and smoothen delivery process, the company released the updated version of its original electric bike that was first launched in 2015. The 2.0 retains the best features of the first model, including a brushless 750-watt motor, Shimano 6-speed gears and disc brakes, and LED display, but brings a number of new ones to the table. While remaining one of the affordable bicycles on the market, it is a top-notch Samsung battery with 500-watt-hour capacity, hidden electrical wires, LED rear red light, new Fox leather grips, and a more comfortable saddle. In addition, the 2.0 has an all-aluminum frame and weighs less than its predecessor. It can be operated in 2 modes, pedal assist with a 40-mile range and all-electric with a 23-mile range. The price is set at $1,200, and it includes a charger and a battery. Juiced Bikes Cross-Current Air. This is the 2nd generation pedelec from Juiced Bikes cross-current line that is now even more affordable. It comes with lifetime warranty on the frame, 2 years on the mechanical components, and 1 year on the battery. Juice looks rather sharp in deep matte black and makes a solid sporty impression, which is supplemented by strong performance side. The 400 Wh battery is partially integrated into the aluminum frame and fuels a 650 Watt rear wheel hub motor. Top speed of 28 miles per hour makes it a Class 3 electric bicycle. However, the major downside is the lack of the front suspension, so riding at top speeds might feel a little stiff. Populo Scout. The Scout is an oversized middle-priced model from Populo that gets richer package of features, more battery capacity, and higher speed. Unlike many bikes from this class, it has a mid-drive motor with 350 Watt output, capable of accelerating the 60 pounds two-wheeler to 20 miles per hour. Its torque sensing controller gives you immediate help when pedaling and provides the necessary torque to push you up and over any incline. When it comes to slowing down, the Populo Scout also has you covered with a pair of Shimano's hydraulic disc brakes. The front shock and big tire combination mean that you can have a comfortable ride and a ton of traction when you need it. Populo Scout's MSRP is $2,200, but it is currently on sale at just $1,199, so rush to get one until the price lasts. Folding Wave. Though slightly less powerful than other electric bicycles from Wave, this model, priced at $899, is the cheapest offered by the company. It is a unique foldable mechanism that allows the bike to be easily transported and stored in a small closet. The unfolding takes about 60 seconds and requires no professional experience or assistance. The bike is great for exploring new places as it fits into any trunk and can take you as far as 30 miles in pedal assist mode. Its 350 Watt motor ensures the top speed of 20 miles per hour, allows for 3 levels of assistance, and even a full throttle. Folding Wave comes with a 3 months limited warranty, and according to its owners, lasts for months without needing any maintenance. Propeller. Propeller combines a minimalistic design with the latest battery technology to create lightweight, plug-and-play e-bikes that are easy to use, reliable, and are pretty fun to ride. The most affordable model from this manufacturer is a single-speed clean design with a rear-wheel 250 Watt hub motor. It is a stylish city commuter that comes in deep black color with interesting blue, red, white, or orange accents. The clever design choice was to shape the battery as a drinking bottle, partially preventing culprits from noticing that you're riding an electric vehicle, which is so tempting to be stolen. Propeller keeps only essential components, but all of them are made by known brands. The brakes are mechanical discs with brake inhibitor sensors, which prevent you from fighting against the motor when you want to slow down. All the components of Propeller come 90% assembled, with an online how-to video to help you finish putting the parts together. Tidal Wave. Deriving its name from a special frame construction that was created to make mounting and dismounting of the bike easier, the Tidal Wave is a typical beach cruiser equipped with a 750 Watt electric motor. Due to the step-through frame, it works well for less experienced riders and may be of help for those learning to ride a bike. As it works in pedal assist mode, it may also help ease some of the disabilities and take the strain off the rider. The bike can even take on the road by itself, lasting up to 23 miles in the all-electric mode. The model features a Samsung cell battery that does not require to be fully discharged or charged to 100% every time and needs about 5 hours to regain full capacity. More bike. In this video, we try to avoid featuring crowdfunding bikes that are not readily available and have yet to prove their worthiness. But More managed to grab our attention, being the first comparatively affordable electric bicycle with full suspension. The lowest end model, that starts from $1,400, gets equipped with 500 Watt hub motor from Bafang with pedal assist cadence sensor. The battery should be good enough for 30 to 50 miles, depending on the riding style and weight. All in all, More's team seems to be eager to bring a rather decent bike to the market, but they can fall victim to their own ambitions due to overcomplicated wiring, questionable center of gravity, and heavy weight of the vehicle. Just an FYI, we avoided adding to this list super cheap knockoffs from unknown Chinese factories that cost under $500 but fall apart within a week of riding, and we also excluded electric bike conversion kits. Those devices will probably be reviewed in a separate episode. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about various electric vehicles and the automotive world in general. May the torque be with you!